Francisco here for another unboxing video. As you can see dun sa intro natin, nakita natin medyo magulo yung bahay. Nagkalat pa yung mga gamit. Kasi may mga balikbayan kami. Came over from the US. My mother-in-law, sister-in-law, and my niece. They're gonna be staying with us for 1 month. But now, they all left the house. Kasama yung wife ko. Nag-iisa ako dito sa bahay. Finally, may peace and quiet. So I can afford to do this video. Last year, I switched from my Microsoft Surface Pro 4 to an iPad Pro 12.9, yung 3rd gen variant. Kasi I felt na in terms of yung needs ko, mas malakas yung iPad. Tapos I read about the upcoming release of the iPad OS. So kaya medyo na-sold ako to finally replace yung Surface Pro ko, which I bought, I think, 2016. Ngayon, pag bumili ka ng bagong iPad, ano yung next na problem? Finding a good case for it. Yung pinaka-best na nakita ko was this one by Spigen. It's a case stand 2. Although, okay naman siya. The protection it gives, okay naman. Quality naman yung materials. Tas ang maganda rito is yung may lalagyan pa ng Apple Pencil dito sa side na hindi siya mahuhulog. I felt na may mas pa akong makikita sa labas. So I did some reviewing online and sa Amazon, and I finally came across this highly reviewed case. It's from Zugu case. It's called the MUSE case. They've been making iPad cases for the past few years, and I found the best reviewed case for the iPad sa Amazon and sa YouTube. So when I found out uuwi nga yung in-laws ko for January, I decided to order from Amazon, have it delivered to their place in the US, and then sila na yung nag-uwi dito. With that, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so doon sa box pa lang, makikita natin medyo premium yung dating ng design. No? So you can see may texture yung yellow part nitong box. Okay, you can feel that. Of course you can't. But meron siyang parang embossed na texture, giving it a really premium feel. Tapos yung white part, I don't know if you can see dun sa lighting. Okay, although matte finish siya, may gradients na square. So overall, maganda yung dating ng box. Upon opening the box, okay, nakabalot sa paper yung case with the Zugu branding. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay. So first impressions natin dun sa case, premium feel. Okay, yung bumpers niya, it's made of TPU material. And then there's I read in the description sa Amazon na yung inside it's made of fiberglass. So this is fiberglass, itong hard part na to. Okay. Tapos microfiber yung loob, yung lining with some branding. Okay. Now, yung cutouts niya mukhang accurate naman, pero malalaman natin yun later once we put in our iPad. So overall, maganda naman yung quality ng case, and it feels very premium. Although yung leather niya is synthetic, there's a premium feel to it naman. Nilagay nila dun sa Amazon description nila ditong case na they're using the same materials as yung Mercedes-Benz. So, malamang premium. So let's put the iPad in and see kung maganda yung fit niya. So here's the iPad. Okay, so madali namang ipasok yung iPad, walang problem. Cutouts, accurate naman, eksakto. Okay, yung bottom part yon, yung speakers, saka yung USB-C port, and on top yung mic at saka yung speakers at saka yung button. Let's check the responsiveness of the button. Responsive naman siya. Now let's check yung Apple Pencil. Meron siyang holder dito sa ibabaw. Okay, let's see kung magcha-charge yung Apple Pencil even with the case on. So there you go, it's charging. Now one of the features that drew me to this case is this part right here. It's an elastic sleeve or pocket para sa Apple Pencil. Diba? Kasi I don't like leaving the Apple Pencil dun lang sa side. Like this. Kasi although wala namang issue sa overcharging yung Apple Pencil, nade-drain yung battery ng iPad. Kung halimbawa, iwan mo lang sa bag mo ng matagal, although hindi naman ganun kalaki yung drain kasi malakas yung battery nitong iPad, there's still a drain. It's one base I want covered do sa case ko. By putting this here, it satisfies one of my needs. So that's why gustong-gusto ko tong case na to. Saka pag tinatransport mo, secure siya dyan sa likod. Tapos, you open it up by this flap here sa ilalim. Okay? Kasi medyo snug yung fit niya all around the case. It's magnetic. Kaya if you open it here, mas madali. And then it's auto-open, as you can see. Right? And one of the main selling points of this case is yung magnets nila dito sa flap sa likod. It's strong enough daw na you can hold the iPad pag nilagay nyo siya sa ref. So para siyang malaking ref magnet. Practical uses siguro nun would be nasa kitchen ka, you wanted to watch a movie or YouTube sa iPad while cooking. And then the lower case, meron siyang parang mga canals or mga railings. There's 10 each side. Diyan mo ilalagay yung magnets para stable siya. Then you have 10 viewing angles to choose from. So yung pinaka tallest viewing angle would be siguro to watch videos pag nasa kama kayo or nasa plane. Tapos if you wanted lower, if you're typing something, ayan, stable pa rin siya. Although don't get me wrong, yung din naman Spigen ko na case, wala naman ako nag-issue doon when I'm typing na bigla na lang mahuhulog. Pero I think this provides for a more stable na base when I'm doing office work. Okay, so the overall protection of this case is very excellent. Zugu claimed your iPad can survive a 5-foot drop with this case. I'm not gonna test that out. I'm just gonna take their word for it. Pero overall, quality-wise, build-wise, uniqueness ng design, it's definitely a good purchase for me. The only downside is this adapter that I bought. It's a Baseus brand na adapter for yung mga USB ports, SD cards, na USB-C type siya. Dahil medyo makapal yung case sa ilalim, I'm having a hard time connecting this, or actually hindi pwede. Tested it, hindi talaga ma-read yung SD card, but meron naman ako ibang adapters dyan that I can definitely use for this, so it is what it is. Magagamit ko pa naman to for my other stuff. Yung trade-off naman is at least secure yung iPad ko and astig tignan. Now, I bought this case on Amazon for $59.99. Isang problem lang, hindi ko nakikitang available siya in any of the local Apple stores. Kung may nakita kayo, please lagay nyo na lang sa comment section kung saan para you can help out those who wanna get this case. So again, overall, a good purchase, highly recommended. So that wraps up another unboxing for the year 2020. Thank you for joining us. I hope you found it informative. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have comments, huwag kayong mag-atubiling ilagay sa comment section yung mga questions or comments nyo. If you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe kung gusto nyo nang makakita pa ng future videos, and hit that notification bell if you want notifications for future episodes. So once again, this is F. Francisco, and thanks for watching.